Do you really need to change your automatic transmission fluid? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, you will hear some people say never to do it. You'll hear some people say that if you do it, it causes a problem. There's essentially three different ways to change the transmission fluid. One is you drain it and refill it. When you do that, you change about a third of the fluid in the transmission. The other is what's referred to as a flush, where you put chemicals in, you clean it out. Sometimes those can cause you some problems because that chemical can actually dislodge some stuff in the transmission and cause you problems. At Mercie J, we do what we call a transmission fluid exchange. It's kind of like a blood transfusion. We pump the old fluid out and pump fresh fluid in. So we change the entire amount of fluid in the transmission. There's tons of debates on how often you should do it. If you want to be really diligent, about every 36,000 miles. You could go 50,000 miles, you could go longer. But it depends also on the conditions that your car is being driven under. Every manufacturer has different recommendations, so I'm not going to stick hard line on this one. I'm just going to tell you that it's good to do it at regular intervals if you're going to keep your car a long time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, blessings to you and safe travels.